guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Leah Brianna. Today I'm going to be doing my first Halloween look. Really excited to show you guys this look. Hopefully it comes out what I visioned in my head, but let's go play. First, I'm starting off with toning the face. The toner that I'm using is Thayers Rose Petal Toner from Amazon because it's always great to start with a clean face. I went ahead and applied primer and did my brows. I know it looks crazy right now, but we're definitely going to fix it. The foundation I'm using is Maybelline Fit Me in color Golden Caramel. We're just going to apply that all over the face and blend it in with a beauty blender. You know, just blending it out to the gods out here. Catters are a necessity when doing makeup to keep your hair out of your face. And come on, it's so cute. Moving on, I'm going to be using MAC's Paint Pot in color Groundwork as my eyeshadow base. You better work it, girl. Alright, moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm using iluvsarahii X Dose of Colors in color Loungy and applying that all over my crease. Just keep blending out the color until you're satisfied with how it looks. I was going for more of like a burnt orange color, so I just kept blending until I thought that's what it looked like in my head. Using the same palette, I'm going to go ahead and take the color Finders Keepers and apply it all over my lid. Oh yeah, and to avoid fallout, you definitely want to give a little spritz of setting spray onto your brush before applying it to your lid. Again, just keep applying the shadow to your eye until you're satisfied with the color. When you give up on the brush and you start using the best applicator in the world. I'm just grabbing more of the color Loungy and applying that all over my crease again to get rid of any harsh lines. Next, I'm taking my Shape Tape Concealer in color Medium and applying it on my lid as a base to complete my halo eye. By applying concealer to your lower lid and looking up, you mark a spot on where to stop blending out the concealer. I learned this little trick from Nicole Guerrero on YouTube when she was doing a cut crease. Now I'm going to be taking Revlon's PhotoReady Eye Art in color Peach Prism and applying that in the middle of my lid. I start off by taking the metallic liquid shadow and applying that first, and then on the reverse side there's a glitter shadow that I add on top. You might want to give it some time to dry before adding more layers to avoid it getting too clumpy. Honestly, I'm not sure if it was just this product or just liquid eyeshadows in general, but I just didn't really like the way it was setting on my eyes. I might have to try it with a different liquid eyeshadow next time. I'm taking more of the color Finders Keepers and applying it in my inner and outer corner to darken it back up. Using the same concealer from before, I'm going to apply this all over my under eyes to remove any dark circles that I may or may not have depending who's looking. Again, I'm going to be grabbing the color Loungy and Finders Keepers and using it to smoke out my under eye. I feel like by doing this, it connects the whole eye look together. And again, to avoid any fallout, go ahead and give your brush a little spritz. Next, I'm going to be taking this water-based face paint that I got from Amazon, and I'm just going to grab the orange paint inside of it with a damp beauty blender and apply this color all over my face. All the products I use will be listed down below just in case you missed it in the video. Next, I'm taking L'Oreal's Voluminous Waterproof Mascara and applying it all over my lashes. No makeup look is complete without falsies, so I'm just applying these 3D lashes that I found from Amazon. Stop crying, bitch. Why the fuck are you tearing? Next, I'm taking Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil and applying that in my waterline. Again, just going back in with Loungy to blend all my eyeshadow together and get rid of any harsh lines to complete the eyeshadow look. I felt like my face wasn't orange enough, so I'm just taking more of that water-based paint and applying it back all over my face. Now I'm taking the Ben Nye black face paint to start carving out the nose and mouth of my pumpkin look. Drawing the nose for this look is pretty simple. All you have to do is draw a triangle in the middle of your nose. To start drawing out the mouth part of your look, you want to draw 2 lines on each side of your lip. To make sure the lines are equal on both sides, I just draw the lines at the bottom of the 2 edges of my nose. Continue carving out the mouth by drawing half boxes or squares, whatever you want to call them, and ending each side with an arrow. Carving out the mouth, you could do it in several ways. You could do it how I did it, or zigzag, or lines up and down, really whatever you want. Now to fill everything in, I started off by using a black eyeliner, but you'll see that I switched back to the Ben Nye black paint because it was doing a better job of darkening everything up. To add the natural lines of a pumpkin, I'm just taking the same Ben Nye black paint and drawing lines from the top of my face to the bottom. To apply more dimension, I'm tapping into the 39A palette by Morphe and applying a dark brown color all over the lines. What's the girl without a little sparkle? So I'm going to be taking the NYX Glitter Glue and the NYX Face and Body Glitter in color Gunmetal and applying that all over the nose and mouth. Last but not least, I'm going to be adding mascara to my falsies and my bottom lashes. I can never apply mascara with a normal face on. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I just want to say that I enjoy doing this so much and the beauty community is so huge and I just want to be part of it, and the same way that I learned from other influencers, I hope you guys can learn from me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can also comment down below with any questions, concern, or any ideas of other videos you would like me to make. Thank you, bye!